enough to take out any Eternal. Okay, what are we supposed to purge?
Everything.
Okay, It seems like a very useful ability.
I really wish you guys could have eaten this mutton बहुत अच्छा है. Hey, by the way, Chaitanya, I read कि खैतान खुल रहा है. When are you gonna die? मतलब not gonna die. When are you gonna get COVID?
What the fuck?
अबे खैतान कहाँ खुल रहा है, कोई खुल नहीं रहा है.
क्या?
And listen. Oh, listen, everyone. You know, so I put the stream on the pause screen. Like an idiot. So I was streaming the pause screen for the last half hour.
अच्छा है, not that we did anything in this mission. So.
Just failed the
Chaitanya,
emperor and got shamed to our chapter.
When is your firm opening?
Not anytime soon. अभी कोई point ही नहीं है because.
खैतान जुलाई से खुल रहा है bro. Like it has not.
जुलाई से?
Yeah.
I don't like. They must be starting, but no firm. अभी तो Legal India पे आया होगा, मैं तो देखा नहीं है. ये सब आता है. पागल.
So
Phased
you
ban.
like a Reddit subreddit for law firms in India, right?
Yeah.
चलो start करते हैं. Someone send the link, please.
What? It's the same server, man. My God.
Oh yeah, you're right. अभी आया Legal India. Everyone is
type करना
ranting.
पड़ेगा बस.
सही है, नहीं खोलना चाहिए अभी. You should not open for 6 months at least till everyone.
I
is
hope
vaccinated.
that's what my company also does, man. I don't want to go to Mumbai.
Wait, are you
Like,
vaccinated?
everyone needs to be
I am vaccinated, but I don't want to go to Mumbai because I'll have to pay rent. Waste money in
Oh, first world problems.
Dude, it's not just first world problem, man. Like that's
Bro,
a
but
lot
जाना
of
तो
money.
पड़ेगा.
That's
Like
like
साल के end से पहले जाना
Mumbai
पड़ेगा.
rent, it's a very valid. Yeah. फालतू मुंबई का rent is extortion, daylight extortion.
Yeah.
dude,
Like,
like
your
they
only
should
option is to
actually
get
they
sad
should
about it.
actually regularize, like, you know, work from home, because like it is so
Yeah, they
much.
should have rent controls.
No, but work from home depression नहीं होता लोगों को, like, and even
अरे,
like people get tired of.
That's for weak people, man. Like actual people don't get it.
No.
Yeah, but-
it is like this, but you also say so. You should look at your bank balance and feel happy. मैं वही पैसा बचता है.
Work from home only benefits the company, it doesn't benefit the employee.
No.
It's benefiting
employees-
it's benefiting this employee 100%.
Even this employee. I must have
benefits
saved around
Like, the only reason to like bring people to work is so you have the illusion of control over them. Like, despite the fact that it's proven that in the office people do less work.
प्लस ये भी तो है चैतन्य, कोई भी क्लाइंट का डिटेल या कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज लीक कर सकता है and no one has any idea over it.
Are you
बैठे
kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like,
I'm
you
not
can't
saying
have,
just
like-
चैतन्य, I'm saying even mid senior जैसे लूथरा में split हो रहा है, ठीक है? So senior partner of Luthra can like give the details किसी और चीज को just to like fuck with them.
But Thrive anyway was dying for a long time. It's no surprise.
Are we doing another mission?
कोई सिद्धार्थ सिंह को लूथरा गया है ना? राइट, सिद्धार्थ सिंह को लूथरा गया है ना?
नहीं, ट्राइलीगल नहीं, very much
अरे
lower.
यार, I was
अभी भी
gonna
like he's
have
the
a
most
group, like-
active person on our internal fresher K0 का group as usual. Arnav join na?
Yeah, dude.
Wait, you already
I was-
started? Shit, I thought you.
I was
didn't
like
start.
hoping for a joke like Luthra was dying for a long time, but Siddharth Sonka was a death nail in it.
Okay, I think we
Yeah,
should
Siddharth
mention
Shankar,
names
everyone
because
knows
this is
Siddharth
technically
Shankar in-
this is technically going to be on the internet, so maybe we shouldn't mention full names.
हाँ तो सिद्धार्थ कौन सा मतलब वो कि ट्विच पे आके प्रणय को सर्च करके ढूंढने वाला है कि कौन बोला उसके खिलाफ.
No,
Hernandez.
but like
अरे जाएगा
technically,
वो, पता नहीं है तेरे को. पागल है.
Americans have a meme, right? Like Karen wala or like blue hair lady wala, like SJW, and Siddharth is like male version of it.
Ready?
Yes,
Everyone ready? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Reduce the difficulty.
I am not ready.
I mean, we are already in the second lowest.
To counter our operation, Gene Stealer human hybrid
Yes, yes,
attempted
yes,
to propel
yes.
a part of the Space Hulk into a gravity well. After a difficult battle, we defeated them. And we destroyed many nests that were supplying the enemy with constant reinforcements. As the
I have
aliens
heard
fell
this
before our
briefing so
assaults,
many times,
we
I
gathered
remember
more
none of
precise
it.
information about the location
I
of the
opened the
ancient ship.
game को audio, but it's not opening in my like. I set in game volume से किया था वो नहीं आ.
Picking up a faint Dark Angel's beacon signal.
Please deploy, everyone. Please deploy. Fast, fast, fast.
There should be.
तो जल्दी
If I hear
मरेंगे
the-
क्या ये करना है.
Cluster of ships, we believe.
If I hear the Grandmaster like
Dark
one
Angel's
more.
vessel.
जल्दी
Jeff,
जाएंगे
on your
जल्दी
left
मरेंगे
again,
जल्दी
What the
आएंगे.
hell?
Jeff? Jeff?
Oh,
Die Pranay die. Die.
the likes of you cannot kill me.
Bro, but where is your head? You
I am
just
the
have a
Emperor's
skull.
shield. Abbe, that's your skull. I went to the future, killed you, and brought your skull back.
Oh, by the way, you are not the Emperor's shield. You are the Emperor's toilet paper. Fuck off.
Abbe, if I'm the Emperor's toilet paper.
Wait, let's
then
see
you
how
are
fast
nothing.
it takes to empty the magazine. 1,
Yes.
4, 5. It takes nearly 7 seconds to empty the magazine. It's not a very fast firing weapon, I must say.
Pranay, just have a race. Just race that to the corner. Come. Have a race. Let's see who will come first. Come.
Good call, Chaitanya. Pranay.
Okay, I'll call him.
Yeah, I'm the fastest space marine alive. Yeah.
You're running in a rat race to bring shame to your chapter.
You bring shame to your chapter. You bring shame to your chapter.
I'm the chaplain. I tell who brings shame to the chapter, and it's you.
You are the Charlie Chaplin of this chapter.
Charlie Chaplin.
Why don't we get these guys to play with us? मतलब ये वाले.
I can't believe someone thinks you sound cute. Aniket, you have gone up in the world.
What?
Yeah. Even I myself can't believe it. Look at me. Fuck you.
Where the hell is Chaitanya?
Dude, I think he has
Company
a,
का
like
काम.
a complete internet blackout.
We can't play
यानी
without
कि
him.
गाँव में रहता है क्या? Okay, let's just leave. Then I guess.
No.
कोलकाता में से इंटरनेट आता है.
I don't. Oh my god, we are being forcibly sent to fight. No.
Reduce exit. अरे यार.
The Emperor doesn't wait.
I have a plan.
Shit.
Let Arnav die.
Okay, no, Chaitanya is trying to come back. Like, you can still join the server, please.
Yeah,
wait.
fine, yeah.
We'll wait. Arnav, don't go. Close that door.
Don't worry, I was
Arnav
just,
go. Arnav go.
Just
Arnav
close
go.
that door. Yeah.
I was just shooting a rocket launcher, don't worry.
अबे बस I want to marry.
They can open the door, what the hell?
कहाँ से डोर
Yeah,
खुला
these
है?
are cultists, dude. They're smart. Ish.
You dumb idiot, यहाँ दरवाजा खुला है. पता नहीं वहाँ का बंदे ने क्या कर लिया.
Oh, yes. Yeah, oh, I hear a sound. The sound of invisible birds.
That's the sound of you disappointing everyone in this group.
Don't like project yourself onto me, please. You know this? Actually, you know, I realize there's two ways to detect invisible enemies. Me and Chaitanya. He can just like literally flame the entire area. Like something will get hit.
Jam.
Yeah, genociding everyone is not detecting. ठीक है? तुम लोग assassination और surveillance से बहुत बुरे होने वाले हो.
Dude, listen. First thing first, man, I cleared every in-man mission. Even if I got a mass murderer rating. Boy, Brutus, why are you going in the front? Come back.
I want to die. I want to die for the Emperor.
Keep
Abhi,
yourself
don't
first.
waste your life. The Emperor doesn't want your life wasted. He wants to use it.
He wants to what?
Use your life. It shouldn't be wasted.
How hard does he wants to use it?
Very hard.
Okay. So Emperor is fighting here, I guess.
Better to die for the emperor than to live
Then
for
to
it.
live for yourself. But you should live for the Emperor. As much as you can. I wonder how much an
Or
Imperial
frame
Guard
value
can
He's done it.
See, just think, if we had Warframes right now, कितनी जल्दी खत्म हो गया होता ये mission.
Heal Pranay.
Heal Pranay.
Okay,
What?
this stage, as soon as we get a big terrain, tell me, I'll activate immediately.
That is no.
खा लिया.
That's not a big terrain. It's just a medium one.
Just think, if we had Warframes right now, कितनी जल्दी खत्म हो गया था. जैसे कि Necros से कुछ और लेके आ गए. We could have killed everyone very fast. That
I mean,
proves
the
Warframe is
Warframes are the equivalent of chapter masters. They are like a total of like, 110. Okay, I'm activating invincibility. Go.
Oh,
Where's
what?
Jeff Anyo?
There's nothing here, dude.
I saw a
That's
lot of
amazing.
Tyranids coming, so that's why I activated invincibility. But he killed all of
Ek
them.
hai.
I don't think like it's a bit random. Like scripted नहीं है मेरे को लगता है इनका.
Yeah, it's not scripted. Like, I think it depends on what we do.
See, the side strain came only that time. It didn't come the other time we went.
Shit!
But yeah, you have to keep moving. That's the thing.
Yeah,
Where is Jeff Anyo?
don't step on that purple thing. It explodes.
Your head has
So that
I'm dying.
Heal.
Heal Pranay.
I can't. I healed Chaitanya. Pranay, just stay for a second to show you the Pune mein.
What the hell is that? What the hell is that?
Okay, I'm
Shit.
using. Oh shit,
Die.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Revive me.
Japan, you revive.
Oh, I couldn't. Random है ना. I can't decide. अरे यार, I should have revived Pranay. Then you would have revived us.
Just survive then. Survive. Enter the gate. Survive. They'll keep coming. The terrorists are limitless.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. You have to move ahead. यार,
Move ahead. Close the gate. Like if there's a
Rush.
gate to close, move ahead and close the gate.
Last.
move.
Close the gate. Lock it.
Okay, the plan is now not to stay and hold. It's just to rush.
Heal us.
Sorcerer.
One dead. What? How did I
Oh
die?
my god, no! Shit. Survive. Just guys leave.
Why are you
Just
shooting me?
I am
Hey,
thinking
this should
invisible
never
sorcerer.
happen. Like both of us shouldn't be there. वही problem.
Change the skill.
One. I need help. Thank God.
Oh shit. Just live.
I healed Arnav for some time.
We have to
Rocket
rush to
for
this
every-
door. हम वहाँ पे बैठ के फील्ड में फाइट कर रहे हैं. पागल.
Librarian, read them. Chetan Bhagat.
Away. Damn sorcerer. Open
Are you
this
sorry?
door.
Bad dude. Oh my god.
Are you Sorcerer's Apprentice? No,
We
no,
just
no.
need to hold out for 2 more minutes.
Maybe we should change the sides of it, like side with Tyranid.
Arnav, possibly you should stay on front. You have the axe, and it has like pretty high
Okay.
damage.
So it swings very slowly. The axe, I regard it as a tool simply for making sure I can spam the lightning every time they come in. At the start I hit them with lightning. That's what it's for.
You need healing.
Not really.
And now we can move forward, you know.
See, if there's a gate, move forward. Close the gate.
There
Like,
is-
move forward and close the gate.
Wait, this is a gate into a bigger room. Well, that's one way of doing it.
Yeah, close yourself in this room.
पीछे you goddamn 5 volt big battery just like busy what the fuck is wrong with you?
Reloading.
Oh, invisible tower.
Okay, it's a statue now.
Pranay, how long for your to come?
48 seconds.
That
Move,
is-
move,
they
move,
were
move,
like
move.
this. Oh, long.
अरे यार
Abbe, it is long.
I
It is the
visible
kind of
hai.
crisis they are in. My God. Like they're in a
I
very
don't
bad.
wanna play this level.
No, Aniket cannot die. Aniket, he
I don't wanna play this level.
Just survive for 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Live. Just live for 20 seconds.
live for the
We
end.
will live for 20 seconds. Shit.
I'm hitting with the post.
Use your heal.
3 seconds. 3 seconds to lightning. 3 seconds to lightning.
Fuck, I can't move. Anna, please help. Anna, please help. Anna, help. I can't. Okay, now I can move.
No,
Heal
no,
yourself.
get away from
Heal
the
yourself.
beam. Get
Heal
away,
yourself.
get away.
Just stay inside. Just stay inside. Just stay inside.
You are staying inside the poison field way.
Poison me. क्या है? They're
Wait,
Tyranid.
always
They're not like
visible
one multi-speciality on the weapons.
Oh my God, my ability is on a 104 second cooldown.
हाँ उससे पहले मैं नेचुरली आ जाऊंगा 45 और
Okay, why are we not closing that gate?
That was a hell
Because we
of
can't rush till there.
a 3 seconds to
13,
no, it's
12.
all dead.
Dude, what
actually
the hell
I know
is
you
this
lead
Tyranids
the
are-
vanguard I think वही better है
How are
प्रणय
these
बहुत
Tyranids
बहुत
managing to opening the gate? Like, look at those claws. Those claws can't open a gate.
okay I'm back
They can.
I'm back
Yes. Oh
Let's
my
go.
God.
I closed.
Oh my God.
I closed
Arnav,
this
please,
door also.
Stay in front. Yeah.
I closed this door.
yeah
अरे एक डोर और है पीछे
both
से.
of us should not be dead that is the problem
Yeah. We
Why
cannot
not one of
both
us?
be dead.
and preferably Pranay has his
सबको
team
हील
kit.
होना है क्या किसी को?
I mean,
नहीं,
it's not too bad.
हाँ
So
enough
don't... Okay, like fine.
yeah this acid I think that acid thing can be burned I think formation Aniket should be in the middle so he can heal anyone. Arnav front. I'll be the back. Oh, shit. Your guard and Pranay.
पीछे.
Yeah, let's
Ah, come
listen.
here. पीछे.
Can't see shit.
Cross the gate.
At
You're
two
lagging.
Brutus,
You're
get out
lagging.
of the...
Medic, you're lagging.
Look at this. The head of the Tyranid fell out. I'm lagging also.
No, not lagging. As in lagging behind.
No, I am lagging. I am literally lagging. As the same Gene Sealer was on the screen for 20 seconds.
Wait. एक्सप्लोसिव वाला है
Heal
ना?
Pranay.
You said कि पर्पल वाला एक्सप्लोसिव है.
अरे प्रणय को
Oh
heal
shit,
करो.
they're in the poison.
मैंने दिखे तब ना कहीं.
Yeah, you hit.
अरे वो आगे है.
Okay, healed. I healed it.
नहीं, that is heal.
Okay, where is our objective again?
Here.
What is our objective again?
find the beacon.
Okay, enter the
Why
big gate,
is-
enter the big gate, enter the big gate.
Look on me. Oh,
Why is our objective? Asking, like, philosophy wise, why is our objective?
Okay, close the gate, yeah.
कुछ बंद हुआ ना? यही गाना क्यों आ रहा है दिमाग में?
Oh,
Maybe I
oh.
heard.
Arey, because
I
it's
heard
what
it
the
from-
Emperor commands, obviously you are getting this song.
अरे यार,
Don't stop
अभी तो वो
believing.
ऐसे हाई. He should have like highway to hell in our mind.
Abhi, this is worse than hell.
Enough, come back. No, enough नहीं है. Saint of Sword, come back.
Okay, we are going this way, sorry.
reloaded.
Aniket, don't rush ahead.
No, I'm
It,
closing this door.
Or turned around.
Oh, what the hell?
Okay, no! उल्टे साइड से क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ.
अच्छा, I thought like तुम लोग पीछे से निकलो, पीछे से भी रास्ता है.
There.
Please jam the door.
Oh my god. Let's go.
It's your neighborhood superhero.
Your neighborhood friendly Terminator.
Hmm.
Except he's not friendly and he's not your neighbor.
Find the beacon. Another hand touches the beacon.
And the best thing is, he'll be back.
Jam this.
How can my light reach them if blah 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 blah
Okay, they are
blah?
coming.
Okay, यार,
Okay, invincibility, go! Invincibility. Now. Yes, we are.
I'm on a highway to hell.
Arey, why are you using shield when they are invincible?
I'm on a highway to hell.
Okay, I think I have to jump to that thing.
I'm on a
How can you? I don't think
Oh,
you
we
can.
can't jump.
Why someone
कोई
used
मार
force
रहा है
lightning on
मुझे।
the turret?
Hey, wait,
Okay, wait, too late. I blew it. No, I blew it up with plasma mine.
Pranay, wait! Pranay, wherever you are, just stay.
I'm
you
healed.
healed,
But I'm damaged again.
So just stay. Let me just find where are you.
I'm using my third ability. We're reflecting damage right now.
Wait. Maybe I found. Oh shit. Yeah, maybe I found you. Just stay from.
What the hell? Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going in the opposite direction.
That
actually.
way.
Yeah, we are going in the opposite direction. Move, retreat, fighting.
Oh
Retreat.
no, yeah, not. This is the only way to go.
Okay, fine.
किसके पास मैप है भी? No, we are going in the right direction. Yeah. आगे से हम लोगों को यहाँ लेना है. आगे से left.
Okay, let's close the gate. Please run. Whoever's
Wait,
lying down, run.
Aniket, not come here. Come where we are.
And wait,
No, where are you going? उल्टा जा रहे हो.
सही हम सही जा रहे हैं. तू उल्टा जा रहा है.
Arey, this is the only part to that place. Okay, door jam.
Yeah,
Fine.
not
Safety
been any-
in this.
Okay, I have
Safety in our
started
hand.
healing, but तुम लोग को थोड़ी देर रुकना पड़ेगा. I guess तुम लोग का heal energy मत कम.
no, I'm full.
Okay, ठीक. You could say thank you once in a while, ठीक है?
Yeah, thanks. There's no time to thank you. I can only thank the Emperor.
And next time ask Emperor to heal you, ठीक है?
Abey, next time ask the Emperor to revive you. Because he will. Because I am the Emperor's tool.
You are the Emperor's stool, okay?
You fucking heretic. How dare you?
Oh my god.
You know, you guys should really not leave me behind when I'm sealing the door. Okay, there's nothing there. I checked with my sensors.
Check करना कोई please.
There's certainly something behind us.
Bro.
Okay,
Okay,
we are
nothing.
straight से right लेना है, straight से right, yeah, right.
Tunnel.
दूर उल्टा जा रहा है,
Go, go.
हाँ, yeah, straight. Fuck, I got stuck, please.
Why do you keep
पीछे,
getting left behind? My God.
तेरे
And
आ रहे थे दो.
पीछे आ.
I was
Let
I was
Arnab
checking
be
the
the
map.
vanguard. Arnab be the vanguard. There is no point in like us.
I was checking the map, उसमें time लग गया, मैं देखता रहा पीछे 3 turrets आया, just ran.
I've lost
I just ran.
this way.
Full speed
Don't
से.
check the map, please.
Follow me.
Where are you? Oh yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, we found it. We found it.
We have a mini map.
Finally! Oh my God! Okay,
ये क्या है?
this is a headless.
Mega last.
Oh, अभी different calculation running आएगा.
Wait, this is from Millennia 31. This is a 9,000-year-old dead body.
Shit.
I'm still looking good, yeah. Let's see how big he is.
I think he's lost some weight.
Forward. Now.
Yeah, he's
Okay,
quite
well,
ripped
forward.
right now. Oh,
This
side
guy-
gate ऊपर है.
This guy lost. Oh wait, there's a gate. Run up. There's a gate. I'm going to the gate.
I started healing, जल्दी से पहुंचो.
The Emperor, we can't run away, but the Emperor allows tactical retreats.
I mean, the white scars explicitly don't care about that. They are literally space mongols.
30k or 40k? 30.
See, 30k is before heresy, so like more powerful marines, more powerful everything.
Yeah, no, but immediately
So this is
after
40K, no?
30k during War of the Beasts, the reason the Orcs were able to gain so much power is that the Imperium had basically demilitarized a lot. They basically, in fact, until after the War of the Beast, before the War of the Beast, Robeldon had
Shit,
insane
sorry.
defenses on
Shit.
Terra, which were mostly
The
destroyed
Emperor
during
says
the
that you have
heresy.
been you have rested long enough, now go back.
So basically, Terra had insane weapons literally
I mean, but also Beast wasn't some pushover, it took a Primarch to kill it. He
No,
was killing
but, like-
normal space marines like they were fallen.
Yeah, but that's the point. It should never have gotten to the point where a beast was able to arise. Like that's what the Emperor did. Like every time a population of orcs potentially could get to that level, they were actively hunted down and
अरे
exterminated.
बलिस्टा मारो.
It's done, it's over.
Zara
Well,
Khan.
will you look at that? What's the
नहीं
objective
यहाँ
now?
से. Oh नहीं यहाँ से. हाँ.
Will you look
Purge
at the
क्या करना है?
objective? I told you, it's a
Purge.
friendly neighborhood purge, man. Okay, why am I in the front? Enough, take the lead.
Dude, I've got this is a really long
Working
mission.
out better with Arnav.
Why is the color scheme
Okay,
of
and
many
also we are like
stations quite
really
strict?
large. We should probably maintain some amount of spacing
Upstairs,
between us.
upstairs.
Otherwise, we'll just keep getting in each other's path. Like maintain social distance.
हाँ.
दादा 6 का
Anti-nervous-
जरूरी है 6 का
Anti-nervous
जरूरी
physical
है.
countermeasures.
Okay, will you stop running? I'm talking.
You are
to
just jealous of my speed. Okay, you are just jealous of my speed.
Abbe, I have full fuel. I can run as well. Just break.
You'll
that
never be fast as me.
fast. As fast.
Oh, that
Okay,
is
I'm
what
getting-
it is.
Yep.
What is he
One
throwing
shot.
lightning on?
Yeah. Lightning destroys turrets immediately. But that turret destroyed my arm. It was sad.
It damaged my chest plate.
Why is the flamer person in the end?
Arey, so that like
Because
he
you are
won't,
guarded.
he won't block our vision, but he can like handle anything that comes from behind.
Yeah, because bullets will get body blocked by Terminator armor.
And also not that like basically like like from they never send like
Wait,
punches
what?
from-
Is this a
Arey,
dead
get out
end?
of my head. No, it's not a dead
Oh,
end.
not anymore. No, not that.
Break
Oh
now.
wait, there's a gap. There's a gap. Right, you're right.
Someone
That might turn into a turret. Be careful.
Oh shit, this is a very open place. यहाँ पे attack होने वाला है probably.
Okay, I see
Yeah,
no
through this door.
invisible enemies as.
Run
In
through
fact,
this door.
Okay,
Why
I
are
don't
so
know.
Christianity inspired? Why is the Imperium so Christianity inspired?
but listen, I have to say that this lack of enemies is actually scaring me a little.
I mean, the Emperor literally demolished the last church on Terra. Although
Yeah,
he
but
was courteous enough
why
to go
is this
in.
architecture so Christianity inspired? Why
It's
couldn't
not
you, like,
Christian, dude. It's Gothic. There's a difference. It's Gothic architecture.
Didn't the Gothic also
हाँ, वही
Goths
है,
also in the
यार,
oh shit
Lightning it, yeah.
Yeah.
shit
One shot of force lightning is enough to take out any Eater. Okay, what are we supposed
Purging
to purge?
Everything.
Okay, I
Or-
hear some noise, but I see no Tyranids invisible or otherwise.
we have to go there.
You had to say it, Rane. You had to say
Tyranid.
it for a second.
I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on the highway.
Is that a side straight?
Where is there a side straight? I'll have to use it.
Two side straight. Two side
Okay,
straight.
invincibility. Go. Now fucking destroy it.
To hell.
Get off.
Oh shit!
Oh,
I was
shit.
on the highway to
Oh,
hell.
no. Stay away from.
Revive. Rane, full revive.
Yeah, revive. I sent the unit.
No, I'm back.
Wait, we are hitting
Okay.
flank.
40 seconds cooldown. 40 seconds cooldown. I can't heal anyone so पहले.
You have to move towards the target.
नहीं
we
मुझे
have to
पीछे
move,
होके
It's green, which means we are within the radius.
Move.
पीछे. Where is the target?
Arey, it's there. Go down.
What the hell? What is that?
Heal. I am in a very bad situation. Heal.
I can't heal. That is the point.
Wait, Aniket.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds. Where are you? Can't see. I can see the Jeff on you. Yeah, Jeff. Like, bro, man. क्या है?
No, heal me. Oh my god.
5 seconds. Just 5 seconds.
Arnav, you're spent alone. Retreat. Come back here.
अरे invisible लोग मार रहे.
Yeah, I can heal now.
Okay, what are we supposed? How we need to go ahead?
It was a very
Like, we need
close
to
call.
get
It
to the
was very
objective.
close.
No, our objective is to
Very
purge.
close.
We are the
We have to
objective.
go
Okay,
up.
I guess like this is the objective. Like we are going to get attacked or not, and we have to just survive.
I think we have to destroy this whole reactor.
I don't think so.
Reactor died.
No, this is
Okay,
like we just have to
heal me.
kill it.
Try
shit.
destroying the
Shit.
reactor.
Shit, heal me.
Kill
I
him.
can't. 5 seconds. 5-second rule.
Yeah, please.
Oh, this was the objective.
Block the access
my
points
God.
to hammer its progress.
And the Swami coming.
Destroy.
Run.
Jane, this is your specialty.
Run. We are not facing another Swamp. Run.
See, if we find any enemies, I'm going to use invincibility, and they are just going to run past.
Bro, like,
Who's
how
behind?
long is this level? I swear.
तुम लोग कहाँ पे हो?
We died, so.
तुम लोग कहाँ पे हो? टाइगेट पीछे था. टाइगेट
run,
पीछे
run.
था.
Arey,
I'm
don't
saying
go to the
side
side gate. Run.
Okay,
Who is in the side gate?
सबको हील भी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है. Like Jeff Andy was the lowest.
Run.
Let's see if
Go,
Maratha
go.
Pride saves
Go.
Jeff Andy.
All lives matter. Okay, no, not all lives matter.
Not all lives. Space.
Green
Rest
lives.
of life don't matter.
I mean, like, you know, they might disagree. They'll say, like they're like definitely biologically they are an upgrade on us. So, okay, fuck.
Bad manners.
There's no time for manners. Okay, destroy the lock. Run! Oh no. Okay, wait, I thought you were a territory. Okay, we have to go downstairs.
How?
अरे दो जगह पे है. Hey, no.
Guys,
Down-
help, थोड़ा help.
Okay, I'm popping invincibility. Run! Run!
No, what? Why?
Arey, because like he's going to die, and if our healer dies, we're dead.
No, dude.
उधर जाना है.
But I think can be revived one.
Where's Jeff Anyo? अरे
I'm
यार,
here.
just stay for a fuck.
Oh my god.
Stay still. Okay, I guess like killed हो गया. Fuck,
Hey,
I'm gonna
प्रणय
die.
इतना आगे है हमारे.
Someone
Arey!
save me, I'm gonna die.
See, if we
15
don't
seconds
complete
left.
the objective, they'll keep forming us. This is not a kill mission. Purging is over. Now we are running. It's a
सामने
race
जाना है.
against
Where are you going?
time. Look at the
अरे
distance.
follow प्रणय, follow him. Details है.
Yeah, destroy the lock. The locks are here. Okay, I'm taking the left lock. Someone
Heal
destroy the right
Arnav, heal
lock.
Arnav. Heal Arnav.
Okay, I destroyed a lock.
Mission success will greatly impede the swarm's ability to gather.
Okay, now let's go hunt down the rest of the lock.
I love how our missions are always purge, turn this switch on, like kill them, and then like you know destroy the switch.
Hey,
wait, wait.
where is everyone?
You guys are left behind. Like go, come fast.
No, you guys are going in the wrong direction.
Okay, you know
Arnav, we are
what?
going the right.
We are both going in the right direction. Go, it's fine. Like
पीछे.
Abey, lock destruction. Run, just run. Just run away. Don't fight them. Like this is not like no longer. This is a fighting mission. No longer. Just run. Need to destroy the locks.
Did we just split?
Yeah. Two teams.
Yeah, we saw you. You're coming the right direction.
And we don't have a healer,
Come
yeah.
fast.
Fine, I
No,
can
he's
revive
coming
you
to
once.
you. He's coming to you. I am alone.
Rene, you retard, where are you?
You are a retard, dude. Fuck! I told you like come. It's fine.
Turrets!
The Emperor protects.
Oh shit. Correct.
If you guys die and I don't, like this will be very alien.
I'm gonna
So
die.
I think
I'm
we are
gonna
going to
die.
converge at the same area. ठीक है,
Okay, I'm
हाँ,
stuck,
इसी
I'm gonna
जगह
die.
है.
Brutus, heal yourself.
I can't. It won't work. Yeah, shit. मेरा cooldown
ठीक
होने
है,
पे 10
ठीक है.
सेकंड.
You're back.
Revive him.
You're back. हाँ, he's back. अबे ex bazookas.
Yeah, I got the turret down.
Someone destroy the logs, please.
Heal us, please. Brutus, सबको heal करो.
Okay, I'm destroying the locks here.
Mission success.
एक ट्रैक है.
ये वाला एक huge game है.
Oh, other
Guys,
death
come
things.
on.
Yeah,
Close the gate. Someone please close the gate.
come through first.
Someone is
Okay, I
left.
destroyed the
Nothing.
locks here, but I might not survive. Forgive me. Okay, I'm going in the side gate.
Targets are being secured. You the saints to proceed to the Calabash.
Where are you, dude?
Dude, I destroyed the other locks alone because, like, you know, Aniket refused to support me. But fine. Faced the swarm by myself. But I knew the Emperor protected me, so.
Okay, enter hangar it says now. Well, I guess a task
You
force.
teleported.
Yeah. Thankfully, my abilities are not on cooldown.
Maybe go.
I mean, do we take this door here?
Yeah, take this.
It's come through. I hit something very heavy.
Okay,
moving.
it healing
Oh,
है.
good. Prana is with us.
अब
Yeah,
लोग
the
heal
full
होते
squad.
हैं.
Oh my god. Side chain? Is that? No.
Okay, we'll die. We'll
What?
die.
So many.
There's too many of the suicidal ones.
Hey, we could just go into side gate right now.
Heal. Aniket, heal Pranay. Heal everyone.
Pop number 3. Aniket number 3.
Okay.
What? Acha, yeah. Sorry.
I'm closing
Okay,
the
no, I
gate
can't.
and
17
barring it behind us.
seconds. Where is Saint of Swords?
Yeah, I'm here. Dude, okay.
Off
I'm going to ask you guys for one thing. Please don't just leave me. You healed the wrong person.
Ah, shit. Okay, wait, 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
But मेरा भी कम नहीं सर.
Yeah, everyone's healing.
Fine. Thanks.
अरे ऐसे
Why is my weapon
directions
overheating
are
so much? Oh my god. Listen. Do you want me to pop the invincibility and run?
No, नहीं. When we close the door.
हाँ,
तब बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं. तब
Okay, invincibility. Run. Invincibility, run. Okay, this is not the
Running
way.
it.
बस है.
Yeah,
हाँ यहाँ पे चलो. Left behind.
Who's behind?
we are running in the 90s, right?
Abbe, who's so far ahead? Listen, why is our healer our vanguard?
I am the
Because the
vanguard.
vanguard is shit.
No, because you keep running far ahead. Stay behind the vanguard. Okay.
यहाँ से रास्ता नहीं है ना.
Okay.
Shit. No,
यहाँ
there is a
यहाँ
way.
से है नीचे.
There is a way from everywhere, to be quite honest.
Okay, listen,
It's not-
Chaitanya, if you are to be our, like, you know, if you are going to
Oh,
watch
shit.
our back, like, make sure that
Dude, what? Dude, I got one shot.
Pranay.
Yeah. Be careful. Go back.
Started healing. Heal. Not you, goddamn parents.
There are too many the invisible.
Has anyone ever tried to talk to a Tyranid? क्या बोलता है?
okay, they take over a planet, that's a Tyranid cultist. Oh shit!
Move.
This Tyranid is
42.
throwing psychic bombs at me. What the
Pranay,
fuck?
leave back. You're gonna die. Pranay, leave back. You're gonna die. 40
yeah.
seconds till I can heal.
Okay.
Just stay here. सब
I'm
लोग कोई
popping
जगह.
invincibility, run! Popping invincibility, run!
Who killed? How I died? क्या था ये?
अरे यार.
Run!
Cooldown पे है मेरा.
There's a big gate here, run!
Yeah, I died.
I'm bringing him back.
Because you love me.
No.
My health is damn low.
And heal
Abhi, my
Pranay. Wait,
health-
he's back. अभी Pranay को.
Yeah, heal me
yes.
and I'll get invincibility so I can save us from. Aniket, heal me, please.
Yeah,
Heal
oh sorry.
me.
Oh shit, no. 1 minute timer. और दूसरे वाले का 40 seconds. It's almost 2 more.
I know you're fucking going to betray us sooner or later. You fucking automated turret.
अगर option होता then I would have done. You know it.
Tiralin.
I'm talking about the automated turret, but like I guess that applies to you. Reasonless scum. Okay, go. Let me close the door.
Pranay, 15 seconds till I can see you. Where are you, by the way?
I'm closing the
Are
door.
you closing the door?
Health is very low.
5 seconds. Okay. Yeah, I can hear you now. Just stay. Yeah, done.
He's Chirurgeon or whatever his name is.
Chirurgeon.
What is it mean? Why do you say
It is the term for doctor in the Middle Ages, specifically for those plague doctors.
You need a doctor. Yeah, okay. We have got a doctor.
Okay, heal now.
Walk ahead. Like if you don't walk like this, keep coming. Like you can't stop. Oh my god, this is stressful.
Enter. Ganja. Enter the ganja. Okay, where is everyone else?
Here. Everyone is here. Nobody has gone anywhere.
Okay, come. Like the path should be ahead. They follow me.
Hey, Jeffania, where are you going?
If you're right. यही है.
Yeah, you're right. What the? Dude, cut off. Wait, help.
Okay, this is a dead end. This was a trap.
कोई मैप देख लो प्लीज.
Wait.
Arey, the map shows like many paths, but this is a spacer. Like many paths. The bridge is broken.
Yeah.
Some shit.
Found the path.
Okay, this bridge is
Yeah,
broken.
wait. Pranay, come back, Pranay.
Yeah.
We found there's a door here.
I broke
my
it,
God.
but is
I'm
this
telling
moving?
you, like you should have just hacked it, man. Shouldn't have broken that door.
Arey, it
door
was
our
blocked.
comrade. Arey, you can unblock the door. The door was our comrade.
Comrade? Are you Tao, you communist? Dumb.
Wait,
You
Tao aren't
fucking
communists.
Idiot.
Tao aren't communists, they're Confucian. The Eldar have achieved communism in their society.
They are not communist. They are not confused.
Abe, they have achieved. Dude,
They are
have
just
achieved.
casteist.
Who?
They are literally just casteist.
Who? The Eldar?
No,
No,
Tao.
he's talking about the Tao.
That dude, I was saying that Tao are not communists, they're Confucian.
They are just casteist. Doesn't matter.
Dude, it's not the Indian
Arey,
caste system, it's more like
yeah. Casteism
It's
has
more
also
like-
different varieties.
it's more like like how the Egyptians and the Confucian Chinese had it, like
Because there's
Yeah,
not
it's more of a
necessarily a
class.
hierarchy. Fire caste and earth caste are often have like the same amount of. Only the Ethereals are above everything else. Okay, am I? Why do I see only 2 marks? Okay, I see 3.
we are getting close.
Okay, there's this door here. Come.
Yeah.
We have a door we can close behind us.
Churchion
Door is
कौन
our
सा है?
friend.
Churchion कौन सा है? Churchion just 1 second. Let me just aim. Okay, हो गया.
Yeah, he just drilled you.
Yeah, I put something inside you. I made you full. I made you whole. Oh shit, Tyranid! Objective कहाँ पे है? We should be very close.
In front of
We
us.
are
in
very
front.
close. It's in front of us. My
Okay,
God, this is one
invincibility with 5
long-ass
seconds. कोई इधर भी
mission.
on. Okay, just
Please,
invincibility on.
just come back. Like, let me. Just run. Oh my God.
Running. No.
And don't
Reloaded.
leave me behind. I'm locking the door. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to ask that.
For the Space Marines, can we play this song? मतलब पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. Because the Emperor is a daddy.
Are you a Primarch? Huh? पापा कहते हैं.
Shit, I'm gonna die. I don't know Primarch, but I'm gonna die.
अबे, we are all here. Trust yourself.
तुम लोग
Okay, you know what? I'm popping R2. Let's go.
या pop invincibility on ना.
Yeah, invincibility किया. चलो.
Shit, मेरी में speed नहीं आ रही है.
हाँ,
very
अभी
slow.
calculation.
Oh shit.
Okay, here now what?
Just
हाँ, now we have
washroom वाला
to
ही है.
survive.
Just
So
come in
survive
one
that.
hole. Come in one hole.
Okay,
Take
I can't open these doors even by as much punching as I want.
Oh, calculation running. Look at the top.
Come inside ना.
No enemies that I can see, invincible
yeah.
or invisible or otherwise.
We are at OBJ. We just have to wait.
Oh
Oh, wow.
my god! Holy shit!
Death medal भी मिला है. Wow.
Damage 19k.
Holy
medal, 7K.
fucking shit! 20,554 damage, 89 assists, 207. No relics.
I have
Yeah,
169
The
assists.
strange dark.
Probably because of all
Okay,
the
and there's
lightning.
no way I can do another mission.
No, absolutely.
Yeah,
not.
yeah.
From the earliest days.
Even the Emperor is reasonable, man. Like, he's not going to send the Terminators back after they came out of a grinder like this with fucking tyrannic guts on my armor.
With Luther.
Okay.
क्या बनना
Bye
है?
guys. I'm done for now.
I'm going to upgrade my
Yeah.
armor first. Listen. Let's first upgrade our armor. Like, choose your weapon of choice. Go to Flamer and upgrade the Flamer, please, Chaitanya. For Arnav, like if you see, I realize this game wants you to invest in one class. Choose one class and invest in it. They don't like go with like switching your class and weapon every day. They don't like that. They're like choose a weapon, stick to it. I have no renown. Why?
You spent it.
No, but what do we get renown for? For clearing stages, right?
Okay, that's
Yeah. For एक renown का box.
Okay, tell this much इतना कि fire power increase करने से फायदा है?
What do you think?
नहीं, capacity increase करनी चाहिए.
Dekho, try and probably like save like 7,000 and then you can buy this module called reliability module. It decreases the rate of jamming. Well, my god, like I am actually tired. Like the Emperor protected me. I went to that objective alone. Emperor actually protected me. Like I am a believer now. Like even though I should have been a believer right from the start. Fuck! It's time to end the stream. Enough.
Yeah.
I think we are done here.